This is the elevator at IKEA in Tampa, Florida. It's pretty big. 12,000 pound capacity. We're gonna go up to 2. Definitely the highest capacity elevator I've ever been on. Whoa. Power went out. Okay then. I think it just canceled the call. We can't hit either button. They both just go out. We just got stuck in here. Okay then. I guess we're gonna make a call.
IKEA, enter 1103 North 22nd Street, Tampa, Florida, elevator L7. IKEA, 1103 North 22nd Street, Tampa, Florida, elevator L7.
Hello?
This is with ThyssenKrupp, everything okay in the elevator?
Hello? Hey, can you hear me?
Hello?
Hi, yes, the power went out for a second and I'm stuck in the elevator.
You said you are stuck in the elevator?
Yes, I'm hitting the 1 or the 2 buttons and neither one does anything.
Your phone's very muffled, I can barely hear what you're saying.
This is on the elevator phone. I am stuck in the elevator. The buttons don't do anything.
I'm gonna put you on a quick hold here and we'll try to get a hold of somebody for you. Do you know what floor you're on?
I was almost up at the top, the 2nd floor.
Second floor?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second. We'll try. I'm gonna just put you on a quick hold here, and we'll get back to you. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yep. 1 second here.
Well, that's fun.
Trusting all your security needs to one premier security provider. Your call is very important to us. Please hold, and the next available Securitas Technology associate will be with you shortly.
Can we even see where we are? We're like, I normally don't recommend doing this,
SecureStat
but
HQ is the industry
you might be able to see we're like about 1 foot below the 2nd floor.
by view, control, and measurement of your entire security platform, including your intrusion, access, video, and fire system. You can use SecureStat HQ to place your service request online at SecureStatHQ.com. Your call is very important to us. Please hold, and the next available Securitas Technology associate will be with you shortly.
Are you still there with me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, we got a hold of the admin. They're sending the maintenance down right now. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Not a problem. Have a good day.
Thank you too.
Yep, bye.
Bye. All right then. Now we just have to wait. That's not what I was expecting when I got in this elevator. But what can I say? Stuff happens. Elevators are reliable for the most part, but occasionally you get a situation like this where it just stops functioning. So I've ridden thousands of elevators, and I think this is only the second time I've ever gotten stuck in one. Actually, it is the second time. The first one I made a video about, which I'm going to link in the description. So here's your inspection certificate, by the way. Let's just get a more, you know what, since we have time, let's get a detailed cab view. You have your ThyssenKrupp vandal resistant fixtures. These definitely look like they're from the maybe late 2000s, early 2010s. We're in elevator L7. There's a few different posters, one for IKEA credit card, another one for the IKEA app, and another one for the rewards program. And then we have one for IKEA US military and veterans and their spouses receiving a discount. Shopping for your business. And then one for the Pride community. As for the rest of the cab, it's all stainless steel. And the doors, again, are interesting. There's two-speed doors on each side. So we have center opening 2-speed doors. They're banging the door, they're probably down to 1. I think they just realized I'm on the second floor. Shouldn't be that much longer. Hello?
Hold on. Am I in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just making sure. All right.
All right.
Just hop on out.
Perfect.
All right. Everything over?
Yeah, all
All right,
good.
cool.
Thank you. Have a good one. Random thing. So I was in the elevator for 10 minutes. They turned off the escalator. Actually, not sure if they turned it off or it just shut off, but they turned off the escalator The elevator is now out of service, and then the other 2 elevators that I was originally going to film are also out of service. So that'll be it.